Good morning, everybody. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. So, today's lesson is lesson 10:2, rays and angles, and you will find this on your student textbook, page number 328 to 329. So, what is our learning objective for today? To identify and name rays and angles and the parts of an angle. Now, what is a ray? A ray is a line that starts at the end point and goes forever in one direction. When we talk about ray, you have to keep in your mind two things: end point and one direction. Now, here is the picture for a ray. This is the end point, and the ray is going towards the right hand side. The arrowhead is showing the direction of the ray. Okay, this arrowhead shows the direction of the ray, where it is going, in which direction it is going. So this ray is going towards the right hand side. Now this is what? This is a ray. How to read it? We will read it as ray RS. Why not SR? Because we have to read the end point first. We have to read the end point first, and the letter on the end point is R, so I read R first, and then we have to read the letter with the arrowhead, that is S. So this is the ray RS. Now how to write? We will write in the same way how we read it, but there is one thing we have to do. First read it as you do, so write in the same way. Start from the end point R, then write the letter with the arrowhead S, and something is missing here, as I told you. What is it? The ray symbol. It is very important when you have to write. Then you have to put the symbol over the letters. You cannot read it, or you cannot write it as SR, because the arrowhead is showing with the letter S, not with the R. And the symbol will never be written towards the left hand side, because it is a wrong way to write. The symbol will always be towards the right hand side, because here you can easily see or clearly see that this way is going from S to R. That is wrong. This way is going from R to S. Now what is this? This is a ray. Now ask yourself and recall your knowledge. Okay, which one is the end point? Just think. The letter A, right? Yeah, point A is the end point. Which letter is with the arrowhead? B. The point B is with the arrowhead. Okay, now how to read? Ray AB. Wow. Now how to write? We will write from the end point, that is the letter A, then we will write the B, AB. What is missing here? Can anybody tell me? Okay, think. Yes, I guess it. The arrowhead, that will always point towards the right hand side. Now my answer is correct. Now let's do more practice. How would you name these rays? Think. You have 2 seconds to answer. 1, 2. Answer. Check your answer with me. Okay, the answer is here. Now, the letter with the end point is V, and the letter with the arrowhead is U. So we always write the letter that is on the end point first. So I write V first, then U. So ray VU. But what is missing here? The symbol. So now my answer is right. Now let's see the next one. Okay, this is a ray. This is a ray. What is the name of this ray? Guess. 1, 2, 3. Answer. Okay, here. ST. Wow. Because first we have to write the endpoint letter and then we have to write the letter with the arrowhead. Now, again something is missing here. My answer is not complete. Now, yes, the symbol. So, the symbol is here. It means now my answer is correct because I put the ray symbol over the letters. So, this is a ray ST. Now, draw and name the ray represented by each symbol. More practice. Wow, I want to do it. Okay, we have to make a ray that is that is TS. Okay, just ask yourself what we have to do. We have to draw what? Array. What is the name of the ray? TS. So ask yourself again the question, which one is the end point or which letter is the end point letter? The T is the letter on the end point. Which letter comes with the arrowhead? S. So how you will draw it? Like this. Now do the next. Okay, do with me. Okay, ask yourself what we have to do. Draw. Then what we have to draw? Array BC. Okay, ask yourself which letter is on the end point. B. Which letter is with the arrowhead? C. So how to draw it? Like this. Okay, now the second part of the presentation is about angles. Okay, now what is an angle? An angle is formed by two rays with the same end point. Let's see. This is a ray. Yes, this is one side of an angle. This is another ray. Yes, this is an other side of an angle. Now, where both the rays are joining, here, this is the same or common end point. So, this is called a vertex. This is called a vertex. Now, two rays or line segments are called the sides of the angle, and the common end point is called the vertex of the angle. You can see in this figure. Now, name an angle. There are three ways to name an angle. Let's see how you can name it and how you can read it. This is the angle. Yes. Now we have the name for the points. Okay. Here we have the point PQR. Now how to read it? The one way is to read, say the angle first. Angle PQR. Second way, say the angle first. Angle RQP. Now third way, say the angle only Q. Okay. Now how to write? Make the symbol for the angle and then write PQR. The second way, make the symbol for the angle, then write letters RQP. The third way, make the symbol for the angle and just write Q. Now, more practice. Name the given angle in three ways. Already we done in the last slide the three ways. Now we will do it. Here is the angle and it is showing three with the three letters STR. Okay. Now we have to name it. First put the angle symbol and then say STR or write STR. Now again put the angle symbol and write RTS. Again put the angle symbol and just write T. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, you can email me. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye-bye.